Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So let me tell you a story. Let's say you are using your mobile phone or laptop and suddenly the screen goes blank. All your files and folders are corrupted and you have no more access to them. This might sound impossible, but it happens to many people and it might happen to you as well. So this is where backup plays a main role in our lives, and in this video I'll tell you the ways in which you could back up your files, some of the ways you might know and some you might not know. So let's roll into the video. So the first method is very common. Many of us know this. Many of us use this. That is using a pen drive. Just insert the pen drive in your personal computer, drag and drop files, and that's it. Your files are backed up. But the disadvantage of using a pen drive is size. Let's say you have a 16 GB pen drive. You cannot increase the size if you have more files. Or let's say your pen drive gets corrupted. Even your pen drive can get corrupted, so it's not safe to back up your files and folders in pen drive. So the next option is using a hard disk. So this is how a hard disk look. In a hard disk you get lots of memory. In this hard disk particularly I have 2 TB of space, and you could store a lot of files in this hard disk alone. But this comes with a price. It costs more than 5,000 rupees. If you can afford it, buy it and use it. This is the best way to back up your files. And if you can't, I'll tell you some other methods to back up your files. So the next very effective way of backing up your files is to store your files and folders in cloud. We have Google Drive, which is a very common cloud platform where people store their files and folders, but you have to use your data to upload your files and to download the files from there. But the disadvantage is you could only use 25 GB of space in Google Drive, but you could create other mail accounts and use 25 GB of Google Drive space from that mail account. Let's say you don't like this option, then you have another option, and that is Yahoo. Yahoo gives you 1 TB of memory. That's approximately 1000 GB, and you could store lots of files. So if you want to back up your files in cloud, Yahoo is the best solution. Moving on to next method. Let's say you have only pen drive to back up your files. Then to make the best use of this pen drive, to store a lot of files in this pen drive, the solution to that is compressing your files and folders. You could zip up your files and compress it so that the files and folders does not get affected and the size gets reduced. So you could zip it directly in Windows, or you could use online compressor. By this you could store a lot of files and folders in your pen drive itself. And the last method is something which many of us does not use now, and that is storing your files in CD. Buy a cheap CD, burn it, store your files and keep it safe for lifelong. So that's it about backing up your files and folders. Hope you like this video. Show your support by subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video.